Welcome to the Ministry of AI podcast, where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence research and its applications in the real world. Today, we're diving into a fascinating area, the use of AI for detecting and analyzing online fraud. We're discussing the comprehensive research paper titled Application of AI-Based Models for Online Fraud Detection and Analysis, authored by Antonis Papasavva and colleagues. So, buckle up as we unpick the fine threads of online deception and see how AI can be both a sword and a shield in this digital battlefield. Segment 1. The problem. Online fraud is not just about financial loss. It spreads its dark tentacles into the emotional and psychological well-being of victims. With the advancement of technology, fraudsters are no longer the shady figures of past. They're now savvy about exploiting online platforms, often using tools like generative AI to create deep fakes and targeted phishing scams. But herein lies both challenge and opportunity. While fraud adapts and evolves, so does our arsenal for combat. AI could be our champion ally in this cat-and-mouse game. Segment 2. Key methodologies. The paper primarily explores how advanced AI techniques, especially those using natural language processing, NLP, can sift through the vast ocean of text-based data. Think emails, reviews, social media posts, to recognize red flags of fraud. Using a systematic literature review, the authors assess AI models that can classify data, such as detecting whether a message is indeed phishing or a profile is fraudulent. They employ a mix of machine learning algorithms, from classics like random forest and support vector machines to the contemporary marvels of deep learning models like BERT and its transformer buddies. Segment 3. Significant findings. So what did they find? The war against fraud seems to be getting some valuable reinforcements. Models leveraging real-time data from social media and user reports show promise in adapting to new fraud strategies. Interestingly, while Random Forest was often cited as a top performer for identifying phishing URLs, the study showcased that hybrid models combining various approaches tend to offer superior performance. The researchers also highlight that AI methodologies can be wielded for fraud detection, but they caution us about the potential misuse of the same AI capabilities by the fraudsters themselves. Segment 4. Limitations in future research. Host. AI models aren't a silver bullet. The paper notes that many existing models rely heavily on labeled data, which can be both time-consuming and static, making them less effective against freshly baked scams. There's a call to arms for future research to innovate with semi-supervised techniques and to maintain dynamic databases to keep models relevant. Segment 5. Conclusion. The big takeaway? AI's potential to safeguard the digital frontlines is immense, but it requires constant vigilance and innovation. As models become more adept at interpreting and spotting fraud, they offer organizations, from small businesses to government entities, a robust shield. This paper acts as both a map and a magnifying glass for researchers and practitioners aiming to strike at the heart of deceitful online activities. Thanks for tuning in. If this episode sparked your interest, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more in-depth AI insights, explore our free courses at the Ministry of AI. We've dropped the link in the description below. Until next time, stay curious.